How to change profile picture on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change profile picture on Discord mobile. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Discord app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Discord, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. And then, assuming that you are done updating your Discord app, then you may simply open it. And then, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen and make sure to click on your profile on the upper left corner of the screen. So click on it and then you may be able to see this pencil icon or this edit button. So what you're going to do is to simply click on it once again and then look for the photo that you want. So for example, I'll just search for a dog and then I'll pick this one. So right here, you may be able to rotate your profile picture. So you may rotate it to the right or you may rotate it to the left like this one. And also, whenever you drag this icon right here or this button right here, then you may be cropping the profile picture that you have. You may also swipe up or down in order for you to pick the right angle of your photo. So simply click on choose found on the lower right corner of the screen, wait for it to load, and then you may be able to see your profile picture right here. Make sure to click on save if you are already contented with this photo. So click on save, wait for it to load, and then that's it. That's how you can change profile picture on Discord mobile. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.